Hello all, welcome to a new tutorial. Let's see how we can manage roles, permissions, and notifications in GemBoards. First, go to your workspace, then click on Settings. From the User Roles option, you'll see a list of users along with the projects they are assigned to. Using permissions, we can control what each role can do, who can access what features. Here, you can set who can comment, configure who can update projects, and assign roles like guest, member, manager, or admin. You can also enable who can manage tasks. Finally, hit Save to confirm your settings. Next, let's configure notifications. You can set who will receive task assignment notifications, who will be notified after a comment, and who will be notified if someone is removed from a task. Go back to the real board view and look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the bell icon with a notification count. Clicking it will show all notifications listed here. By clicking the round dot, you can mark notifications as read. And that's it. That's how you can easily manage roles, permissions, and notifications in GemBoards.